Let's take screenshots. First, you'll locate the lock button on your iPhone, and on the opposite side, you'll be pressing the volume up button. You'll press those two buttons simultaneously, and your iPhone will take a screenshot. If you try to do it with the volume down button, nothing will happen. You'll just lock your phone. On most models, the volume up button is the middle button, so just memorize that it's the one in the middle. Another thing to note is that you need to hit the buttons at the same time, or if it's easier, you can press and hold the lock button and then immediately after tap the volume up. For some folks, this press and hold method is easier, so I always recommend it to those who struggle with the timing. If you don't hit the second button fast enough, you'll just activate Siri, but you can always just talk to Siri and ask it to take a screenshot for you. After your screenshot, you can use the markup tools to highlight parts of your image, or make other edits like crop your screenshot. If you have a long page that doesn't fit into one screenshot, you can tap this button here to save the full page. This creates one long screenshot with everything on that page included, and you can save it either as a photo or as a PDF document. If you're using an iPhone with a physical home button, the process is the same, but you'll be using the home button instead of the volume up button. So lock button and home button at the same time, or press and hold the home button and hit the lock button immediately after that. And that's how you take screenshots. Let me know if you have any issues. I'm happy to help answer any questions. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you all in the next video.